Hi there everybody, welcome to the match. Martin Tyler here, Alan Smith sitting alongside me.
Good afternoon everybody, looking forward to this.
Our game today is Marseille and they are up against Borussia Dortmund. Season after season the game just seems to get quicker and quicker because more athletic qualities are brought in by the fitness coaches, aren't they? And this is his first half, it's just rushed past.
It has, I mean, that's why technically you've got to be spot on, because the ball is fizzing about so quickly, you've not got any time to breathe.
Kevin Grosskreutz. Now Diarra. Good forward play this from Marseille. And the pass could cut them open. Valbuena. Lucas Barrios. Kevin Grosskreutz. Well, he sums up the industrial side of the game. Always on the go. Marcel Schmelzer. He's cut it out superbly. And it's Diarra. Still going, it's a great run this. And he's going to shoot. That's a good try, beat the goalkeeper, beat the post. Luis Gonzalez. This is the chance. In the clear, and it's saved by the keeper.
Well, everybody else was beaten, all eyes towards the keeper, and boy did he respond.
Morel. It could go in from here. And it goes for goal. It's not really a challenging effort for the goalkeeper. Remy. Booted it away, and the danger is eased on his goal. Now they can go forward, having won the ball. Mario Götze. Good dribbling skills to get away from the defender. Benoit Cheyrou. Good recovery from looking as though he was going to end up on the deck. Diarra! Good handling of the shot by the goalkeeper. Here's Luis Gonzalez. He's in here. Shots on here. Still danger. Oh, he's tricked him there with a back heel. He's cut out the pass here. He's beaten his marker. Well, he has a go. Brave defending by the player. Big boot away. Well, that is half-time, and the score is 0-0 here. Just wonder, as the half-time whistle goes with the teams level, which side has got the potential here to push on and turn parity into winning football in the second half?
It's difficult to tell, really, from that first 45 minutes. It's which side has got a little bit extra hunger and desire to make the breakthrough here.
Marseille are on the move now. Brilliant play in his own area there at the back. Mario Götze. Subotic. Mario Götze. Marseille now in possession again. Good forward play. In with a chance. Well, we're still level pegging here, but it's not for the want of trying. Well, now we are going to have a substitution. And at this stage of the game, it's still level. This is what the manager will hope will be the decisive moment. Subotic. Sven Bender. The pass wasn't a good one, it's been intercepted. Well, what's the referee going to do here? Quick ball. Kane. Lucas Barrios. Lucho Gonzalez now has the ball. Kane. Super pass. Good chance to cross it here. Super pass. Swung in to the middle. And the defenders read the play. Opportunity. Still 0-0, another terrific save, and the referee blows. The flag was up for offside. Substitutions at this stage, the key moments really, and the manager deciding to bring this player on to try and tilt the match, which is level, in their favour. Mario Götze. This is an excellent run. The defenders have got to earn their money now in this situation. Chance from the pass, and the ball just skewing away wide of the target. Not good contact.
Yeah, sometimes when you hit it like that, Martin, it can creep into the corner. Not that time.
Luis Gonzalez. Remy. Good forward play this from Marseille. Brilliant opening. Oh, the ball's gone in, and that could win them the game. It's a goal, and it's a superb one.
Well, how many players have they got capable of scoring? Too many for the opposition.
Well, we had so many chances, Alan. Finally, we've got the first goal that this game really deserves.
Yeah, we could have easily had 1, 2, 3 goals before this one, but it's been exciting and we expect it to continue in that vein.
Well, we've hit the 85-minute mark, and they won't have many more chances to draw level, you feel. Running out of time here. Here he is with a chance. That's a good pass. They've worked that well to get the cross in. That's not a good cross, I have to say, in these circumstances. The opposition have got the ball. And we'll start again with a goal kick. There we are, final whistle. They've got all the rights of bragging around the town now by this victory over their neighbours.
Yeah, they can go out shopping now, rather than the losers who will be hiding at home, I think, for the next 3 days.
It's time to say goodbye to you at the end of a wonderful game of football. From Alan Smith and myself, Martin Tyler, until the next time.